Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we would like to present our assignment, which is about digital counter tasbih, tasbih by Rasyiqah NAZIFA. First of all, our lecturer is who is teaching us and guiding us is Prof. Dr. KAMARUZZAMAN bin SEMAN. And let me introduce myself first. My name is Rasyiqah binti Muhammad FAUZI, 1191980.
My name is NAZIFA binti SAMSURIA, 1191981.
So this is our content. First, we will explain about introduction. Second, objective. Third, idea. Fourth, sketch. Fifth, drawing. Sixth, sketching. Seven, 3D printing. Eight, environmental protection. And nine is a conclusion. First, our introduction. So here I will explain a little bit about 3D printing, which is about 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of a three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. The term 3D printing can refer to a variety of processes in which material is deposited, joined, or solidified under computer control to create a three-dimensional object with material being added together, such as liquids or powder grains being fused together, typically layer by layer. Third, process where a digital model created using a computer-aided design software (CAD) is turned into a physical three-dimensional object by adding material a layer at a time. And our objective is for method of applying a 2D image on a 3D surface. Second, additive manufacturing or 3D printing is a process of making 3D solid object or virtual and any shape from a digital model. Third, achieved using an additive process where successive layer of material are laid down in different shapes. So this is our flow, how we create our digital counter tasbih. First, we have an objective and idea of the product. We create a convenient digital counter tasbih for all people to use, and we sketch it first. We try to sketch on our idea on a piece of paper. Then we try to draw it. We draw it 3D image in TINKERCAD. And next, we slicing and do a 3D printing, manufacture our product as a 3D solid object using a 3D printer.
Next, our idea is first we put our brand, that is Rasyiqah NAZIFA, and then our objective to create this digital tasbih first can be used as a worship to Allah. Second, counting the number of zikir, sports, push-ups, function to count zikir, which is ready to count every 33 times or 100 times. And third, as a gift for relatives or friends. Next, our user requirements. We set this digital tasbih. We put a ring which equipped with ring shape, with ring hand. The shape is ring O-ring and rotatory clips, which is swivel system. Secondly, can be put on a user's hand finger and able to rotate as users wish. Next, the digital tasbih has a screen with flashlight on LCD, can visible in the night and dark mode. Portable design and lightweight, can be bring anywhere the user go. After that,
Next is our sketching. So we can see here is we sketch our sketching on a piece of paper first. So this is our what we say cover the first layer of our digital counter tasbih, and then is the behind the what we need and then we combine it to be one of the digital counter tasbih.
the casing that
The casing. So characteristic that involved in the sketching is shape that we use is rectangle, curve and ring shape. And then color we choose is purple and light purple. Our brand is Rasyiqah NAZIFA, and button here we can see that I have 3 buttons. So here is button on and off, count, set and reset. So next is our drawing. Our drawing is this is our drawing in TINKERCAD, which is you can see here. We can see here clearly that this is already 3D. So we draw a 3D image on TINKERCAD. The part here is LCD, the rectangle LCD to display number using 7 segments display. So the button on, off, and button reset, button count. Okay, brand is we make another unique name of our using our name because we do not want to be same with others or copying others product. So next is here we put our here is drawing front of the our casing. Okay, next is back. The back you can see clearly that have a hole here. So hole here is to put our electronic component. So next next is top. Is the top of our component. This is top of our casing, sorry. And then is the right side of our casing, and then the left side of our casing. And then here can see inner side, which is the inner side of the front casing. So here is our video. We can see clearly that our casing is moving like that.
And we can see how we create and slice the hole and in the casing to put LCD, to put the components, all the wires we need.
So this is the short video only. Next is
Okay, about slicing. A computer software that used in the majority of 3D printing processes for the conversion of a 3D object model to specific instructions for the printer. Second, the conversion from a model in STL format to printer commands in E-code format in fused filament fabrication and other similar processes. Next. Environmental protection. Okay, so now I would like to explain how we manage the waste of producing our product using 3D printers. First, reduce the manufacturing waste. Additive manufacturing layer by layer. Processes allow us to optimize raw materials because we use only the exact amount we need to build a product. Less manufacturing waste means that we save a considerable number of resources. Second, lower carbon footprint. 3D printing also has a positive effect on the carbon footprint because it does not rely on complex manufacturing and assembly supply chains. It facilitates localized production and reduce the need to transport goods manufactured in third countries. Okay, next, environmental protection. The third main point is supports the circular economy. It does this in two ways. Firstly, it is becoming increasingly popular to manufacture printing filaments from recycled materials, which adds value in the eyes of more environmentally aware consumers. Secondly, consumers will be able to repair broken products by self-manufacturing spare parts on home printers or at 3D printing centers. Okay, so these two practices lengthen the useful life of original products, either by transforming them into a new one material or by repairing and reusing them.
So here is the conclusion. As you can see that 3D printing make it possible for every student to dream bigger and better because they can create their own product or their own design based on their own desire. So second is we create the digital counter taskbar to help encourage people with short-term memory on remembering number of count by zikri or other activity that use them to count like counting how many rounds they have done while running. And our product is lightweight and small as it can make the user easy to handle and bring anywhere.
So our product will make people been more times and more remembering to Allah. So ayat Quran related to this product is Surah Ar-Ra'd verse 28. Auzubillahi minasyaitonir rajim. Alladzina amanu wa tatma'innu qulubuhum bi zikrillah. Ala bi zikrillah tatma'innul qulub. Meaning, those who believe and whose hearts find comfort in the remembrance of Allah, surely in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find comfort.
So that's all for us. Thank you very much. Thank you.